Hello everyone, this is Alok Kumar Sinha. Welcome to Live Mathematics. Today we will study about criteria for similarity of two triangles. In earlier video I have explained Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. It's a converse of basic proportionality theorem and problem based on it. But today we will move to criteria for similarity of two triangles. So let us start. Two triangles are said to be similar if first they are equiangular and second ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. That is, corresponding sides are proportional. So two triangles are said to be similar if they are equiangular. Equiangular means each corresponding angles are equal to other triangle and ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. That is, corresponding sides are proportional. Let us see it by taking two figures. Suppose that there is two triangle A, B and C, and take other triangle and name it as D, E, F. So in these two triangle, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, if angle A equal to angle D, angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, angle B equal to angle E, and angle C equal to angle F, then they are called similar triangle. And another condition, one more condition is here: side ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. Ratio of their corresponding side, if we take ratio of sides of ABC and DEF, suppose that AB, then corresponding sides of this triangle is D, AB by DE equal to BC by EF, AB by DE equal to BC by EF, and last AC by DF, AC by DF. Then we can say that if they are equiangular and ratio of their sides are equal, then we can say that triangle ABC, therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So in two triangle, if they are if corresponding angles are equal and ratio of corresponding sides are equal, then they are said to be similar. And its vice versa is also true. Vice versa means if triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, then these two conditions happen. मीन्स अगर ये दो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर है तो हम लोग ले सकते हैं एंगल A इक्वल टू एंगल D, B इक्वल टू E एंड C इक्वल टू F. एंड अगर ट्रायंगल ABC सिमिलर है ट्रायंगल DEF का तो हम लोग लिख सकते हैं DE बाई AB बाई DE, BC बाई EF एंड AC बाई DF. So this is the criteria for similar triangle. So we have three criteria for similar triangle. So we have three criteria for similarity of two triangles. Let us discuss one by one. First one is angle similarity criteria. If two triangles are equiangular, then they are similar. Means equiangular means equal angles. Suppose that in triangle ABC, see in the figure, suppose that in triangle ABC we have already discussed earlier, DEF. It means if angle A is equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, and last angle C equal to angle F, angle C equal to angle F, then we say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by AAA, angle similarity criteria. Triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF by AAA criteria. Here I would like to discuss one corollary also. If you have two angles similar, then they are also similar. If two angles are equal, then they are called also similar, because if two triangles are equal, then third angle of both triangles are bound to be equal, because sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. So if we subtract sum of two angles, then third angle will be also equal. So you can use in place of AAA similarity, if you can equal two angles of triangles, then they are also similar. अगर दो एंगल भी इक्वल हो जाता है दो ट्रायंगल का, तो AA सिमिलरिटी से हम लोग ट्रायंगल को सिमिलर कर सकते हैं. ओके. Second one, side similarity. This can also be stated as theorem 1 for similarity. This is theorem 2 for similarity. If corresponding sides of two triangles are in same ratio, that means are in same proportion, are in same ratio, then triangles are called or said to be called similar. We take this figure for this understanding for this criteria. AB by DE, we are discussing about above figure AB corresponding sides AB का corresponding side कौन होगा DE, BC का corresponding side कौन होगा EF and AC का corresponding side कौन होगा DF. So AB by DE equal to BC by EF, AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF, BC by EF equal to AC by DF. So side ratio of sides, corresponding sides are in same ratio. Therefore, we can say triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. अगर साइड का रेशियो इक्वल होगा, कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड का रेशियो इक्वल होगा, तो हम लोग कह सकते हैं कि ट्रायंगल ABC इज सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल DEF. So this is the second criteria, SSS similarity. And third, but last but not the least, third one is side angle side similarity criteria. In two triangles, if one pair of corresponding sides are proportional, one pair means AB by DE and AC by DF. One pair of corresponding sides are proportional and including angle are equal, then they are said to be similar. They are similar. So in this figure, if two sides are in same proportion, two corresponding two sides, AB by DE, AB by DE, AB by DE and AC by DF, one pair, AC by DF. So AB and DE का रेशियो और AC and DF का रेशियो इक्वल हो गया, और इंक्लूडिंग एंगल इस दो साइड के बीच में इंक्लूडिंग एंगल कौन है, एंगल A, एंड इस दो साइड DE और DF के बीच में इंक्लूडिंग एंगल कौन है, DF, कहीं और से नहीं. इंक्लूडिंग एंगल मीन्स टू साइड्स के बीच का जो एंगल होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड इंक्लूडिंग एंगल. सो A equal to D and angle including angle A equal to including angle D. So then we can say that, therefore we can say that triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. So these are the three criteria for symmetry of two triangles. ठीक है, पहला है एंगल सिमिलिटी. एंगल की जगह हम बताए थे कि ए सिमिलिटी भी लिख सकते हैं. अगर दो एंगल इक्वल हो गया तो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर होगा, क्योंकि थर्ड एंगल इज वांट टू बी इक्वल. सो फर्स्ट, अगर तीन एंगल इक्वल हो गया तीन एंगल से, तो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर कहेंगे. अगर कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स का रेशियो, तीनों कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स का रेशियो इक्वल हो गया, AB by DE, BC by EF and AC by DF, then triangle are similar. And if one pair of corresponding sides means AB by DE and AC by DF, one pair, and इसके बीच का इंक्लूडिंग एंगल अगर इक्वल हो गया, ठीक है, तो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर कहा जाएगा. सो these are the three criteria for similarity. And one more thing I would like to discuss here. suppose that if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, then we know that ratio of their sides are equal. So AB by DE equal to BC by EF, BC by EF equal to AC by DF, AC by DF. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DF, then we have ratio of their sides are equal. AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF, and it becomes equal to AB plus BC plus AC by DE plus EF plus DF, means perimeter of triangle ABC and perimeter of triangle DEF. Perimeter of triangle ABC by perimeter of triangle DEF. Let us see how it comes. Suppose that AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF. Suppose that it is equal to K. सभी साइड का रेशियो सेम है, उस सेम रेशियो को हम लोग K मान लिए. Therefore AB equal to K into DE by cross multiplication. Therefore AB equal to K into DE, BC equal to K into EF by cross multiplication, and last AC equal to K into DF, AC equal to K into DF. And if we put in this part, then AB plus BC plus AC by DE plus EF plus DF can be written as AB. AB means K into DE, K into DE, plus BC means K into EF, K into EF, and last plus AC means AC equal to K into DF. Put the value of AB, BC and AC, we get K into DE, K into EF and K into DF. And write down the denominator DE plus EF plus DF equal to, we can common K, term K can be taken common. So if we take K as common, then in bracket we have DE plus EF plus DF. DE K सभी से कॉमन हो गया, K जो है वो कॉमन ले लिए हम लोग, बाहर निकालते हैं, तो जो बचता है उसको हम लोग ब्रैकेट में लिखते हैं. If we take K as common, then in bracket we can write DE plus EF plus DF, DE plus EF plus DF by, write down the denominator once again, DE plus EF plus DF, and this can be cancelled and we get the value of K. So perimeter of triangle ABC by perimeter of triangle DEF is equal to K, and also side ratio of their side is also equal to K. So this can be written as this, AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF equal to AB plus BC plus AC by DE plus EF plus DF. Okay, so that's all for today. In next video we will going to prove, or we will see the proof of all the three theorems for symmetry of triangles what we discussed today. And in exercise 6.3 we can use this criteria for symmetry of two triangles. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.